Hello guys, welcome back to our AI agents tutorials and series. In this video, let's demonstrate how you can practice prompting, especially reactive prompting. So here we have a clean canvas and let's just start with our usual node, that is a chat trigger node. Cool. After which we will place an AI agent. After placing the AI agent, what we want to do is we want to build step by step, build up the prompt gradually, right? So here we will add an AI model, open AI chat model, and after this, we will add any tool. Let's add the calendar. So what we want to do is, so just connect to your Gmail account and make it defined automatically by the model. So yep, here we go. This is set up. And after that, what we want to do is just try whether this is working or not. This is working perfectly. So let's say schedule an event today for 7 p.m. Let's see if it creates it or not. So, cool. Let's see if it's there using the link. So like you can see here, we have an event scheduled at 7 to 8 p.m. And yep, so this is working perfectly. But you know what happens when the AI agent does not have much context about the time, the date, and the access to the calendar. It just does not do the work that it was supposed to. So what we do usually is we write some prompts in the system message using the expression. So this is a generic prompt that is your helpful assistant. Let's start with an overview. If you write overview here, let's just say you are a calendar, or rather, just because we do not know what exactly we would be using this for, we will just write you are a helpful assistant. Then we will assign the tools. In the tools, we will write create event because that's what we're going to name our tool as. If we have not named, let's name the tool as create event. Create event. And yeah, so we got to define what exactly create an event will be used for. Use this tool to create event. Final notes. So in the final notes, we will write the current date and time to give it a more context. So here is the current date time, and we always assign the current date value using this format. Now, so the output is 29th of December 2025, 18:10 p.m. Yep, this is cool. All right, and yep, we're all good. Now let's check the prompt once again. Cool, it's working perfectly. Now, this is like one of the most nominal, one of the most basic instruction that we are giving him in the form of prompting. Now let's complicate the things a little bit. Like we can Gmail, Gmail tool to send an email. So let's just set everything as automatic, and we're good to go. Let's just check it. Send an email to, let's say, Lacey at the example.com. So what we're trying right now is whether the AI agent accurately determines what the tool it has to use to send the email. Okay. Send an email to Lacey asking her what's up, asking her how is she doing. Okay, there's some problem. Okay, this was a problem. Let's just connect it to Google. Cool, this is connected. Now let's write the prompt again and let's see if it behaves accordingly. Yep, it's all good. Looks like it has sent the email to Lacey at the rate example.com asking how is she doing. Okay, cool. So, but what we want to do is, so this is the exact message that the AI agent sent to the given email address. Okay. Also notice how it's adding by default best regards and your name as in a placeholder. But we do not want this. We want our name to be there. So what we have to do is we need to go to AI agent, open this, and then under the tools, we will we will write send email. Use this to send the email and sign off the emails as Frank or Alice. Cool. Now, if we try the chat, I mean the same command again, it should be um, it should be writing our name, Alice, under the email. Cool. Let's see. Yep. Here we go. So you see how reactive prompting is exactly working. We are adding different tools one by one, and we are configuring it and editing it in a way that fits exactly the needs that we want. We're not dumping everything at once. We are adding different tools and then accordingly changing the prompt in the AI agent. And that's how it works. And that's how reactive prompting works and makes your AI agent and workflows more efficient. Cool. So, hope you understood the importance and the function of reactive prompting. Hope you will continue to use this practice in your AI agent development. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.